Okay then guys, this is the live worksheet, so a little user guide for the live worksheet that I've just written. I'll be putting it up on Google Play in a few days time, so have a look out for it when it arrives. It'll be on Trig Identities and Equations. So if you type in this in a search, any mathematical topic, generally speaking what will happen is a little dog icon will come up, and if you see any dog icon there, his name is Freddy. And basically that'll be one of my apps. That will be one of my live worksheets or widget tools. All my live worksheets are free. And as I say, I'll be putting this up on Google Play in a few days time. Let me just run you through this, just tell you what's in it. Basically we start with trig equations. So each question note is a little intro to the section just to get you comfortable, get you started, and introduce the section that follows. There's 20 questions here, and there's 20 questions here, and I think there's 20 also here. So in all there's about 65, 70 questions and video solutions that are associated with the problems. So here, question note, we do trig equations. We look at simple trig equations and how to solve them. Typically we'll look at quadratic equations in trigonometric ratios, like a quadratic in sine or a quadratic in tan. We'll solve them, factorize them, find solutions. Sometimes we'll solve them between 0 and 360 degrees. The first 10 are between 0 and 360. The next 5 are on radians of varying ranges of solutions, and then we do the last 5 I think is on general solutions to trig equations. Then after these questions we move on to trig identities, simple trig identities. We use the normal identities. Sine squared plus cos squared is 1, and the other two equations also. We typically use those when we do this section. There's a little intro here as is usual. So that's trig identities then, and that's the first introductory sort of trig identity problems that we'll see. There's 20 questions there. Then we finish off with simplification of trig expressions, how to simplify things, gentle introduction here just to get you started, and 20 questions on this topic as well. So along the bottom you can see there's an array of resets and tools. This is the user guide here. Then you can, if you've got a question you're working on that you'd like to send in, you can capture a picture with your phone, click on this, capture the picture, write down your question, you can send it in, and I can write up a YouTube video link. Whenever you've had a go at a question, it ticks off to keep a track of progress, and then you can reset the question so you can have a fresh go. And when you click on the question, of course, you'll get a video solution via outlining the solution. There's a whole array of tools here that I've put down. I have 3 tools in particular I've put down a trig identity solver. So if you've got an identity, a problem of your own, and you want to see what it simplifies to, then you can try the trig solver. That's quite handy. I've also got a trig equation solver here, a little widget tool there. So if you type in a trig equation that you want to solve, you can find the solution there. It provides a general solution, and I've also got another little tool which is a trig equation solver but within a range. So say you go from 0 to 2 pi, say, and you want to find the solutions in that range, or there's a little widget tool for that as well. So there's 3 tools here, quite handy little tools. Here's the recommended apps that you can look up, and takes you to my app developer page in Google Play. I think I've put up Simpson's rule and trapezium rule as well, just as a recommended app for this worksheet. If you'd like to check that out, check that worksheet out. This is a PDF, so if you want to work on the problems independently, click on this, you can download the PDF version, have a go at the questions, then you can come back to the page. And then anything extra by the time I put up, between now and the time I put it up on Google Play, I'll put any extra tools here as well. So I hope you enjoy the sheet, guys. Any feedback is appreciated, of course. Send us an email, give us a buzz, let us know how you're getting on. So all the best then, as I say, and I'll catch you again. Cheers.